Hello and welcome to Cooking with Plants. My name is Anja and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, then welcome, and if you're a regular viewer, then welcome back. So today I'm actually going to share a really quick and easy breakfast smoothie with you. It's super delicious. It's a lovely treat when you're just in the mood for something sweet and tasty, and it is my lemon cheesecake smoothie. So let's get into the recipe. So for this recipe, I'm using a blender, and I'm going to start by adding some plant-based milk. So I'm actually using soy milk, but you could use any plant-based milk that you like the taste of. So I'm adding a cup of that. Next, I'm adding in some pine nuts. So this is a tablespoon of pine nuts, but if you don't have pine nuts on hand, you could always use cashews. You could use some blanched almonds, whichever nuts you like, you could put those in. Also going in is 1 tablespoon of rolled oats and half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Yum, I love the smell of that. Beautiful. Also going in is half a tablespoon of white miso paste. That is what will give it that nice cheesy flavor, those beautiful cheesy tones. And also just 1 little pinch of coarse Celtic sea salt. That is totally optional, but it does bring out the sweetness in this smoothie. Then I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, but if you want to keep it more whole foods, then just add a couple of dates to this. And then finally, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then just put the lid on and give this a blend up. Okay, and then once this has been blending for about a minute or so, you'll find it's nice and smooth and creamy. And oh my gosh, it smells delicious. I need to taste. I'm so hungry, I can't wait to have breakfast. Oh, yum. This is a cheesecake in a glass. You have to give this a try. It's absolutely delicious. Cheesecake as a drink for breakfast. It doesn't get any better than this. Give this recipe a try. I'll leave the link below to my website so you can go and you can read all of the ingredients that are in this smoothie. And also be sure to sign up for my newsletter, which gives you all of my latest recipes, tips and tricks and much more. So happy breakfasting, happy smoothie drinking. This is absolutely delicious, and I look forward to hearing what you think about this smoothie. But for now, I'm going to finish my breakfast. Have a great day, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Oh my gosh, yum.